Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video essay on the topic of veganism. Today, we are going to explore the various aspects of veganism, including its historical roots, ethical considerations, environmental impact, and health benefits. We will delve into the reasons why people choose to follow a vegan lifestyle, and how it empowers individuals to make conscious choices about animal rights, environmental sustainability, and personal well-being. So, strap in and get ready for a thought-provoking and informative journey into the world of veganism. Defining veganism. Veganism is more than just a diet. It is a way of life. It involves abstaining from the consumption of animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. People choose to follow a vegan lifestyle for a variety of reasons, such as ethical concerns for animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and personal health benefits. Veganism is not just about what we eat, but also about the products we use and the actions we take. Historical context. The roots of veganism can be traced back to ancient Indian and Eastern Mediterranean societies, where philosophers like Pythagoras promoted benevolence towards all species. Buddhism, Hinduism, and Jainism also advocated vegetarianism, believing in non-violence towards animals. However, vegetarianism did not gain widespread acceptance in the West until much later. In the 19th century, the vegetarian movement gained traction, and the term vegan was coined in 1944 by Donald Watson, a British woodworker. Today, veganism has gained popularity and is embraced by many individuals, including well-known figures in the entertainment industry. Ethical considerations. One of the key arguments for veganism is the ethical treatment of animals. Vegans believe that all living creatures, including animals, deserve to live a life free from harm and exploitation. They argue that animals have the ability to feel pain and suffer, just like humans, and should not be treated as commodities. The mistreatment of animals in factory farms and slaughterhouses is a prominent concern for many vegans, and they advocate for a plant-based lifestyle to address this issue. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of animal agriculture is another significant argument for veganism. The production of meat and other animal products contributes to deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water pollution. In fact, studies have shown that the meat industry is responsible for a significant portion of global greenhouse gas emissions. By adopting a vegan lifestyle, individuals can help alleviate climate change, reduce water consumption, and mitigate deforestation caused by animal agriculture. Health benefits. Choosing a vegan diet can offer numerous health benefits when properly planned. A well-balanced vegan diet can provide all the necessary nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals, while being lower in saturated fats and cholesterol. Research has indicated that a plant-based diet may lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. However, it is important for vegans to pay attention to adequate nutrient intake, particularly vitamin B12 and iron, which are primarily found in animal products. Promoting biodiversity and sustainability. In addition to ethical considerations and health benefits, adopting a vegan lifestyle can also contribute to the preservation of biodiversity and a more sustainable food system. Large-scale animal farming often requires clearing natural habitats, which disrupts ecosystems and leads to a loss of biodiversity. By choosing veganism, individuals can help mitigate the loss of biodiversity caused by animal agriculture and promote a more sustainable use of resources. Conclusion. In conclusion, veganism offers individuals the opportunity to make conscious choices about their impact on animal rights, environmental sustainability, and personal well-being. By embracing a vegan lifestyle, individuals can contribute to a more compassionate and sustainable world. Whether motivated by ethical concerns, environmental awareness, or personal health, veganism has the potential to create positive change on a global scale. So why not give it a try and explore the benefits of veganism for yourself?